Sprint. Everything's ready for my playdate with Eric.
Wait, Danny. How are you going to carry all this?
Oh.
I know. Watch this. Ag.
Cool. It's the letter A and the letter G. Ag.
Now, watch this. B. B. A. G. B. Ag. Bag. It's a bag.
Cool. I can carry my things in the bag. Let's go! Hey! Aw! My bag is dirty.
That's okay. Watch this. R. R. A. G. R. Ag. Rag. Clean the bag with the rag.
Yay! The rag cleaned my bag.
Look, Eric's by that flag.
Eric!
Danny, you're here. Now we can play. Check out what I have in my bag. Huh? Which bag's mine? They both look the same.
Aha! I have an idea. T A G. Ag. Tag. They're tags with our names on them.
Good thinking, Danny.
Cool. This tag has your name. So this bag is yours. Huh? Are you sure that's your bag?
Yeah! Look at the tag.
Whoa!
You brought the same things.
I guess we think the same way. Hey! Cool!
Oh dear. Hey, Danny, do you remember the words we made today?
Yes. Ag. Bag. Now you try. Ag. Rag. Now you try. Ag. Tag. Now you try.
That's right. Look, you have a bag. You are cleaning the bag with a rag. The bag has a tag.
I like my new bag with my name tag.
All right, see you next time.
Bye-bye.